Hi, I am Morley with Simply DIY and I'm going to flip this dresser. I got this dresser at a local thrift store for $25. And yes, I am going to be painting over those lovely toll painted flowers. And I'm also going to be adding some bamboo slats. It's going to be awesome. First things first, let's clean this dresser. It's pretty dirty. Next, I'm going to remove the knobs by unscrewing them from the back. And then because they've been painted on, I had to use my hammer to get them off. I'm filling in all the gouges and dings with some wood filler. Then I used my orbital sander to smooth everything out. The paint around the edges of the knobs left some pretty deep grooves. I didn't want to sand everything down, so I'm going to use some Bondo to fill it. Once the Bondo was dried, I took my sander once again and sanded it down nice and smooth. And as you can see, it's now smooth and level and ready for paint. I am going to be using these bamboo slats I bought on Amazon for the top 2 drawers, and I wanted to lay them out so I could see how many slats I would need for each drawer. If you don't have a miter saw or just want an easy way to cut these bamboo slats, these miter shears are the way to go. I do have a miter saw and I wanted to cut these quickly, so I stacked a bunch of them together and made some cuts. The 2 top drawers I sanded down completely in preparation for the bamboo slats. I'm adding some wood glue and kind of smearing it around with my fingers. And then I'm going to add each of the bamboo strips. Just make sure that they're nice and straight and as even as possible. I'm not that concerned about going over the hole for the hardware because I will drill a new hole for the hardware after it's dried. I'm adding some painter's tape to keep all of the strips in place until they are completely dry. I'll continue this same process until the drawer is completely filled with the bamboo slats. Notice that these drawers are curved on the edges. I am not adding bamboo slats to the curves, just to the flat part of the drawer. I let this dry for about an hour, and now it's time to remove the tape. I'm planning to stain these bamboo slats, and so I want to make sure that I remove any of the excess glue with the sandpaper. I'm also going to go around all of the edges and make sure they're all even and smooth. All right, it's time to stain the bamboo. I'm going to stain not only the bamboo, but also around the curved edges of the dresser drawer. I always like to apply the stain with a foam brush and then wipe it down with a clean cloth. I'm going to be adding some legs to this dresser, and the base of the dresser is not very strong, so I'm going to add some 2x4s for additional support. I'm going to screw these 2x4s into the base and then fill in the holes with wood filler. Let me show you these legs I got from Amazon for this dresser. This is the metal base. It's important that you put this in the right way. Some people think it's this way, but it's actually this direction. So I'm going to have to create a hole to put that base into the bottom of the dresser. I'm going to drill a hole into the bottom of the dresser. And I want to make sure I get into that 2x4 so it gives you that added strength. And I simply place the metal piece into that hole and then use some screws to attach it to the bottom. I'm going to test out the leg to see if it works. And it does. So now I'm going to do the other side. Now that everything is prepped and ready to go, it's time to paint. I'm going to spray this dresser, and I'm using the color Tricorn Black by Sherwin-Williams. It's a great black. It's going to look really good, this dresser. I usually spray with the dresser drawers in. It makes it easier, and I just pull them out just like maybe 1/4 of an inch and spray around, making sure I do get all of the edges. If I miss anything, I just go back over it with a small brush.